What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some LEDs for the Footwell. Let's do it. Okay, alright guys, so today we're gonna install some LEDs for the Footwell. Let's see what I have. Alright, this is the things that I got. I got this from Auxbin. The link is gonna be on the description of the video, so if you wanna get this. Alright guys, these are the LEDs, this is the remote. These are the LEDs for the Footwell. I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has the for the cigarette lighter. So this is just plug and play. You don't have to cut any wires or nothing. Alright, so let's install this one. It looks pretty easy to do. Let's do it. Right here is the LEDs. They come all together in one piece, so you cannot disconnect anything. You can see. So you have to keep this maybe on the center console. You can hide it anywhere, and then the wire from the center console to the rear seats, and the other ones I'm gonna put it under here. Okay, so 2 here and 2 under the seats. Alright, the first one is ready, right there. Alright, let's do the other one. Had to remove those covers, those trims, because it was hard to put it on the through all the way to the back. So in here it's easier. You can see there has lighted there. All right, so I'm gonna stick it right here. But when you are putting this thing, be very careful that the wire is not on the way of the pedals. All right, so be very careful. If you have a cable ties, use cable ties to tie the cable to the plastic. All right. All right, it's ready. You can see the cable. It's not on the way, it's right there, it's hidden. Alright, so make sure that doesn't touch the pedals. Alright, so let's do the other one. Now the rear seat. Alright guys, now it's ready. I hid all the cables. You can see it there. But I might have to move this because it's a little bit showing. But for now I'm gonna leave it like that. So I have the cigarette lighted right there. I'm gonna connect it. So now let's test this thing. Let's see how it looks. I don't know why I did this. So music. This one, maybe. Oh, so I have to connect this one here. So you turn it on like that. So it's not on. Okay, let's turn this thing on. All right. Okay. Let's turn this off. All right. You can see it there. Oh, wow. It's bright, but it's not that bright. Ah, okay. It's with the sound. Let's put music. Let's put music. Okay. Oh, I left that. Oh, it's bright. Yeah. I like it. Let me show you more from the outside. This is trash. See the rear. Maybe this one are too. I need to put it more on the outside. It's nice. Let me close the garage. You can see it there, it's very bright, I like it. But it's not the brightest one, alright? Because this one works with the music. Alright, you can see the changes to colors. Alright guys, those are the LEDs for the Footwell. They're bright, but they are not super bright, alright? But for the price, I think they're okay. And they change the color with the music, and they're nice. So I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video if you wanna get them, alright? So let me know what you guys think about this LED, put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.